When Perplexity launched Comet, their AI-first browser, they added a feature to their chatbot that is really easy to miss, even though it's kind of staring you right in the face. So when you come to the main page, and this is just perplexity.ai, if you look right here in the middle, there's this type @ for mentions. We'll talk about the mentions later, and then they / for shortcuts, and that's what this video is about. So let me just hit / to show you what that is. So I click in the little Ask Anything area, and I hit /, and there's a shortcut menu, and it's exactly what it sounds like. It is, you just hit / and then whatever the name is that you have for the shortcut, and then it will put in whatever prompt you have set in there. So these are just built-in shortcuts, just to either, if you want to use those, or to give you an idea of what you could create. But what most of you will care about is to just come down to create shortcut. Create a shortcut. And you go there, and then you, again, this is really straightforward. So you name your shortcut something. So I'll say, I don't know, quote. I'll just leave it as quote, and then instructions. And let's say that every day I just want to start the day with a motivational quote. So tell me a random motivational quote to start my day. It better involve goats. And then you have advanced. And these are just the same settings that you have on a regular chat. So you can select your mode, either search, research, or labs. You can select whichever model you want to use, and then you can select whatever sources you want. And then you can save it. And again, I call this quote. We'll show you in a second why that matters. Save and just get rid of that for a second. But you can see this is the same thing. Search, research, labs, and select there and select your model. The exact same stuff. So now that my shortcut is saved, if I just came here and I'm starting my day, I'm like, oh yeah, I need my quote for the day. I / and quote, and then I can now just go, and here's my nice. You can also go in, so let me just new chat this. You can go in and select whatever your shortcut is, and then add more to it. So I don't really have anything else to type here, but like you can start with that and then just expand on it. But you can do a lot with that. But again, it's staring you kind of right in the face, but it's really easy to miss. And they put this here when they launched Comet. You don't have to have Comet installed to use it. I will point out one other thing. If you go to your account and then shortcuts here, if you click on this, this will actually download Comet if you're not using Comet. If you don't want Comet, don't click on that. Again, if you just do shortcuts here, you could just create it here, but you can't really edit anything in here. And I don't know, I don't use Comet, so I don't know if once I have that installed, maybe you can then go and edit those and delete them and do whatever. But just to recap, perplexity.ai gets you here, / brings up your existing shortcuts, and you can see what the / command is, and then if you hover over this little icon on the right, it'll tell you what the shortcut actually is. And then if you go to create a shortcut, you can make a new one, give it a name, give it instructions, put in whatever your settings are for it if you want something that's not the default. Again, in most cases, people just want the default, and you want mode, and you want it to choose the model for you, and you want web, because that's kind of Perplexity's thing. But if you don't want those settings, just come into advanced and change them to whatever you want. And whenever you're ready to use it, just do / and either select the name from the list or type it in, and then you're good to go. Hope that was helpful. See you next time.